Trek CarBack Bike Radar. The Trek CarBack Bike Radar is a cutting-edge cycling accessory designed to boost rider safety by combining radar detection and a powerful rear light in one compact unit. Mounted on the seat post, the CarBack scans up to 240 meters behind the rider, alerting them to approaching vehicles through ANT Plus enabled cycling computers or the Trek accessory app via Bluetooth. Riders receive both visual and audible alerts, giving them time to react and ride more confidently. Alongside radar, the integrated rear light delivers up to 90 lumens, with multiple flash and steady modes optimized for day or night use, visible from as far as 2 kilometers. Its rechargeable USB-C battery offers around 7 hours of use with radar active, while an IPX7 waterproof rating ensures reliability in all weather. Lightweight and compatible with major GPS units and smart devices, the CarBack significantly enhances situational awareness and visibility for safer cycling. LIVALL PikaBoost 2. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 is an innovative e-bike conversion kit that quickly transforms almost any bicycle into an electric bike. This compact rear-mounted device integrates a motor, battery, controller, sensors, and lights into a single module that attaches behind the seat and drives the rear tire with a roller. Installation takes less than a minute using an anti-theft tool, and it works with wheel sizes from 14 to 29 inches and tire widths of 25 to 65 millimeters covering road, hybrid, and mountain bikes. It offers 4 distinct modes: Power Assist for balanced support, Eco for efficiency on hills, Cruise for effortless riding, and Workout for added resistance. The system also includes regenerative braking, LED lights, intelligent e-brake cutoffs, and fall detection for safety. Powered by a 250-watt motor peaking at 500 watt, it provides up to 70 kilometers range with its 158 watt-hour battery, while an optional 220 watt-hour pack extends distance. Charging requires about 3 hours. Skarper Conversion Kit. The Skarper Conversion Kit is a clever clip-on solution that turns a standard disc brake bicycle into an e-bike within minutes, without the need for wheel swaps or major frame modifications. Its system revolves around the unique disc drive rotor, which replaces the standard rear brake rotor and connects directly to the motor drive unit. The compact module combines motor and battery, delivering 250 watt of power and up to 45 Newton-meter torque, providing smooth pedal assistance when needed. The built-in 240 watt-hour battery supports ranges of about 50 to 60 kilometers in eco mode and recharges in just 2.5 hours. At only 4.5 kilograms for the drive unit plus 600 grams for the rotor, it keeps weight manageable while maintaining natural bike handling. With smart sensors, multiple riding modes, and an easy click-on-off design, the Skarper kit offers an elegant way to switch between traditional cycling and e-assisted riding. CeramicSpeed Driven. The CeramicSpeed Driven is a groundbreaking prototype drivetrain that reimagines how power is transferred on a bicycle. Instead of a chain and derailleur, it uses a carbon drive shaft with a pinion system that directly engages a flat 13-speed rear cassette. Developed in partnership with the University of Colorado, the design integrates 21 ceramic bearings to minimize friction, claiming up to 99% efficiency, surpassing even top-end chain systems. Unlike conventional drivetrains, Driven eliminates sliding friction at multiple points, offering smoother, more direct power transfer. A key innovation is its split pinion mechanism, which enables wireless electronic shifting under load by aligning independently with cassette gears. Aerodynamics also benefit. When tested on a specialized venge, the system showed a 3% drag reduction compared to chain drivetrains. While still in prototype form, CeramicSpeed Driven demonstrates a bold vision for the future of cycling, blending efficiency, performance, and futuristic engineering. CYBERSIGHT HUD Glasses. The CyberSight HUD glasses are advanced smart eyewear created for cyclists, runners, and outdoor enthusiasts who want real-time data without distraction. Using waveguide heads-up display technology, they project essential metrics such as speed, heart rate, cadence, power, navigation, and rear-approaching vehicle alerts directly into the wearer's field of view. Launched in 2025 by CyberSight, these glasses weigh just 39 grams and feature polarized or photochromic lenses to adapt to changing light. They are IP54 rated for dust and water resistance, making them suitable for varied weather conditions. The monochrome green HUD offers 640 by 480 resolution, 30-degree field of view, and brightness adjustable up to 1500 nits for visibility, even in strong sunlight. With about 8 hours of battery life and USB-C fast charging, they stay ready for long rides or runs. Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity ensures seamless pairing with smartphones, bike computers, sensors, radar tail lights, or smart helmets, enhancing performance tracking and safety. NITECORE EBP10. The NITECORE EBP10 is a compact, high-performance electric bicycle pump built for cyclists who value convenience and precision. Designed with a rugged aluminium alloy body and polycarbonate panels, it offers durability and effective heat dissipation. At just 280 grams, the EBP10 is highly portable yet powerful, capable of delivering up to 144 psi, enough for both road and mountain bike tires. Its CNC machine chamber and brushless motor ensure stable inflation, with the ability to pump a 700 by 25C road tire from flat to 80 psi in about 45 seconds. Powered by an 8.88 watt-hour rechargeable Li-ion battery, the pump recharges via USB-C in around 1.5 hours. A bright OLED display provides real-time updates on pressure, mode, and battery life, while preset inflation modes road, MTB, ball, etc. Plus, a customizable option make it versatile. With automatic shutoff and smart safety features, the EBP10 is a reliable upgrade over manual pumps for everyday and long-distance rides. Lezyne Ai Alert. The Lezyne Ai Alert series is a cutting-edge line of rear bicycle lights designed to enhance rider safety through artificial intelligence-powered brake sensing. Unlike standard tail lights, these lights detect deceleration and automatically trigger an active alert mode, emitting a rapid, high-intensity flash to warn vehicles and cyclists behind of sudden braking. Models like the Saddle AI Alert 250 rear deliver up to 250 lumens with a 1100 mAh battery, offering runtimes from 4 hours in max output to 60 hours in ultra-low femto mode. For those needing more visibility, the Strip Pro AI Alert 400 Plus pushes brightness to 400 lumens with a larger 1900 mAh battery for extended endurance. Built with IPX7 water resistance, wide-angle optics, and durable aluminum or co-molded housings, these lights suit all conditions. USB-C charging, Aero round post compatibility, and pre-programmed operation make them reliable and user-friendly without data collection or app pairing. Unit 1 Aura. The Unit 1 Aura MIPS Smart Helmet is a next-generation cycling helmet that combines safety, comfort, and smart technology for modern riders. Weighing only 440 grams, it is lightweight yet highly protective, meeting NTA 8776 certification for e-bikes, as well as EN 1078 and CPSC standards, making it suitable for speeds up to 45 km per hour. Its MIPS reduces rotational forces during angled crashes, while the EPS foam liner effectively absorbs impact energy. Ventilation is optimized with 14 air channels, keeping riders cool on long commutes. The Aura goes beyond traditional helmets by integrating front and rear LED lights with up to 350 lumens of brightness and a 30-hour runtime in beacon mode. Smart features include turn signals, brake lights, and crash detection, with automatic SOS alerts via the Unit 1 app. With an IP67 water and dust resistance rating and a sleek, urban-ready design, the Aura MIPS is a perfect blend of innovation, visibility, and safety. Magnic Light. The Magnic Light microlights are a groundbreaking bicycle lighting system that eliminates the need for batteries or traditional dynamos. Invented by German engineer Dirk Strothmann, the system uses eddy current induction, where a magnetic wheel within the brake shoe generates electricity as it interacts with the bike's aluminum rim. This innovative design powers bright LED lights without physical contact, creating virtually no drag and requiring zero maintenance. Both front and rear lights are available, with the rear light automatically brightening during braking to improve rider safety. Advanced versions also include smart features such as integrated turn signals and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing cyclists to monitor speed and control settings via a smartphone app. Built to withstand tough conditions, the microlights are waterproof to IPX6 standards and work with various braking systems, including rim and disc brakes. Magnic Light offers cyclists a sustainable, efficient, and eco-friendly lighting solution for everyday rides. SOOCOO S50 Plus. The SOOCOO S50 Plus is a versatile dual-channel action camera designed for cyclists and motorcyclists who want reliable front and rear video coverage. Compact and lightweight at just 145 grams, it integrates two 170 degrees wide-angle cameras that can record simultaneously in 1080p 30 fps, while the front unit also supports 4K 25 fps for sharper detail. Powered by a 2400 mAh battery, it delivers up to 4 hours of continuous operation, making it suitable for long rides. With an IP66 waterproof rating, the S50 Plus is built to withstand rain, dust, and tough road conditions. Safety is enhanced with a built-in G sensor that automatically locks critical footage during sudden impacts. The camera supports loop recording and microSD cards up to 256 GB for extended storage. Riders can conveniently control settings and preview footage through a smartphone app. Easy mounting on handlebars or helmets ensures flexibility, making the SOOCOO S50 Plus an excellent choice for safety and adventure recording. WALSUN Fingerprint Disc Lock. The WALSUN Fingerprint Disc Lock is an innovative security device tailored for cyclists and motorcyclists who demand both convenience and protection. Weighing just 220 grams, it is promoted as the world's smallest fingerprint disc lock, making it highly portable without compromising strength. Its advanced capacitive fingerprint sensor unlocks in only 0.5 seconds and can register up to 40 unique fingerprints, ideal for multi-user access. Built with robust 304 stainless steel and rated IP65 waterproof, the lock is engineered to withstand diverse weather conditions and resist tampering. A thoughtful sleeping mode conserves power, requiring a quick button press before unlocking, while its rechargeable battery supports up to 3 months of standby use per charge. Featuring a 6mm locking pin, it fits most disc brakes seamlessly. Combining durability, smart technology, and ease of use, the WALSUN Fingerprint Disc Lock sets a new standard in portable, keyless vehicle security. FoxFloat X2. The FoxFloat X2 is a premium air shock built for aggressive enduro and downhill mountain biking, offering coil-like sensitivity with the lighter weight and adjustability of an air spring. The latest 2025 iteration introduces a refined monotube damper architecture, enhancing responsiveness, durability, and heat management during long descents. Riders benefit from 4-way independent damping adjustment, high and low speed compression, plus high and low speed rebound, accessible via precise external clickers. Many models also feature a 2-position firm open lever, allowing quick transitions between climbing support and fully active suspension. The LIVALL Extra Volume Air Spring improves small bump compliance and provides a more progressive ramp-up to resist harsh bottom outs. With air pressures rated up to 300 psi, the Float X2 accommodates a wide range of riders and setups. Available in both eyelet and trunnion mounts, it is a top choice for riders demanding control, comfort, and performance on technical terrain. Hiplok SWITCH. The Hiplok SWITCH folding lock is a versatile security solution designed for cyclists and e-bike riders seeking convenience without compromising on protection. As Hiplok's first folding lock, it employs 6 hardened steel bars connected by robust rivets extending to an 85 cm locking length, sufficient to secure a bike frame and wheel to a fixed object. When folded, it compacts to just 19 by 4.2 cm, making it easy to carry. Its standout feature is the switch system, which lets riders mount the lock on a bike in place of a bottle cage, or quickly detach it to clip onto a belt or bag strap. No tools required. Weighing 1.05 kilograms, the lock balances portability with durability. Rated Sold Secure Bronze, it offers more protection than a cable lock while remaining lighter than most U-locks. With 3 coded keys, a rubberized protective cover, and a lifetime warranty, it's a smart choice for everyday commuting. vabsRider. The vabsRider is an innovative cycling saddle developed by Ataraxy BSC to tackle one of the most common issues among cyclists: saddle discomfort. Unlike conventional rigid seats, the vabsRider features a split seat design that allows each half to tilt independently around a virtual axis aligned with the rider's hips. This dynamic movement matches the pedaling motion, reducing concentrated pressure on the sit bones and soft tissue while distributing weight more evenly along the femurs. Riders benefit from reduced soreness, especially on long rides. The saddle offers full adjustability in height, angle, fore-aft position, and width, ensuring a personalized fit. Built with durable materials such as high-density foam, synthetic leather, aluminum, and reinforced plastics, it supports riders up to 100 kilograms. Currently in pre-production with a Kickstarter launch planned, early testers praise its comfort and potential to redefine cycling ergonomics. Cyclemate 2.0. The Cyclemate 2.0 is a lightweight inflatable bicycle seat cushion created to boost rider comfort on long journeys. Built with a multi-cell airbag system, it distributes pressure evenly across the saddle, reducing strain on the hips and coccyx by up to 40%. Its air convection design allows air to move between chambers when compressed, giving a floating anti-gravity effect that minimizes vibration and impact. Ventilation gaps of about 6 mm between cells also promote airflow, cutting down on heat buildup and sweat. The cushion is covered with stretch fabric for comfort and features silicone anti-slip particles underneath to keep it firmly in place. It secures easily with straps and can be inflated or deflated through a stainless steel rotary nozzle. Despite its durability, tested to support loads up to 200 kilograms, it weighs only 60 to 80 grams, making it portable and unobtrusive. Cyclemate 2.0 is ideal for commuters, leisure riders, and long-distance cyclists alike.